Hello, I am David W. Parker, and this is Programming Today I Learned, WebGL Series, Episode 26. We're going to be looking at multiple attributes today in your shaders. We'll get back to drawing different shapes later, but this is some good interim stuff. So we have some different APIs and whatnot that we're going to be looking at, and varying within shaders and interpolation as well. So everything is pretty standard here within our initialization. We're using color mask again, and we'll show you why in just a minute. And we're drawing with triangle. I'm just going to draw a triangle. And here's our vertices, and you can see the N. And then we also have, that's for the A position. And note that we're going to do it all again, but with the color buffer. So this is going to be a vector 4, V4, and then you can see we're doing R, G, and B. And so we have the exact same thing repeated here with creating a buffer, binding the buffer data, getting the buffer data, getting the attribute location, and then the attribute pointer and enabling it. So all of the exact same things. Now you can see we have a color here, and then that's it. So we have a position and a color. So let's take a look at the vertex shader here. So we're taking in a vec4 with for a color, as well as a position. So we have two different attributes now. And what we're going to do is we're also going to declare this varying, and what that does is it allows us to share a variable with the fragment shaders. So in this case, what we're going to be doing in here is we're going to be setting the attribute color to the varying color so that the fragment shader can get that color through the vertex shader. And so that's just, a classic use of this is to use the vertex as normal, since it's going to be used in lighting calculations, which you'll do here and then pass to the fragment shader. So let's go ahead and look at the fragment shader now. So we have precision medium float, which is used for this V4 vec color. And then once we get that varying in, we're going to set the GL frag color. So what does this all look like here? You see here, this is basically the gist of it. You have the red, green, and the blue areas. And you can see RG, this green isn't fully alphatized, so if you want to make it darker, we can. So you can play with different colors. And additionally, if we go up here and we turn off RGB, we can turn off the red, for example. And now the red no longer works. And same with the others. So, and if we go back to this and make that 0.5 again for the green, and then we also turn off green here, you can see that it doesn't, it's partially white because of the alpha. So lots of interesting things you can do and play with that. We have other points in here if we wanted to make this bigger. But anyway, that's basically it for this particular episode. We could also disable VertexAttribArray. I put that here. So if you wanted to do gl.disable, you can disable one of them. And let's see. Boom. And so now it's not going to draw because it's been disabled. So that's basically it for this episode. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, please like the video, share it on social media if you will, and go ahead and go to ProgrammingTIL.com and sign up for my newsletter. Have a great one. Thanks.